video is going to be a Dollar General haul, home decor. So I stopped by my local Dollar General for some hair gel, and I was passing through the home decor section, and of course I had to stop. And I was looking through and I saw some cute stuff. I said, you know what, let me not buy things that I don't need. Let me just pick up some little things here and there because I want to make over my laundry room and my bathroom. So, well, the guest bathroom. So I said, you know what, let me pick up a few things. So let me jump right into it and show you the stuff that I got. And yeah, let me start off with these rugs here. So these are bath rugs and they were $5, and I'm sure you've seen these rugs in other stores, other like Ross or maybe Big Lots, or you know, they're the bath noodle rug by Comfort Bay, and again they were $5. And if you can see it here, it has like a two-tone shimmery iridescent look. And I picked up two, so I got two of these rugs for $10, and I said for the price, why not? And I want to put these in my master bathroom, or like right when you come out the shower, you know, you want to feel that plush underneath your feet, or even the bathtub, the spa bath, or maybe in my, if I don't use it there, I will use it in my laundry room. So one by the dryer and one by the washer. So yeah. Let's see what happens with these. Okay. And then I'll start off with some plaques. Now these were a present surprise, I should say. It's a 4-piece mirror set for $10, and they have them in two colors. They have them in black and they have them in gray. However, I don't really have much black decor in my home, so I decided to pick up the gray ones, and they're, yeah, 4-piece set, and they have these mirrors, like two mirrors, two of these in it and two of these in it, and you can use them for like an entryway, or again a laundry room or a master bathroom. They're plastic, but they're cute and they make a statement. So you can even use them for earrings. No, but yeah, they really do make a statement. And you could even do it like if you're going up the stairwell in your home, like if you wanted to do a design, make a design out of it, you can pick up more pieces and kind of like put it, you know, whichever way you want to design it, whichever way you want. So these were 4 and they were $10 a piece. Here goes the other one. So I was looking for it. So all 4 of these. So I really like these. And then let's see what we have here. So we have these little plaques, and they were $4 a piece. This one says kitchen. And you can do this in a coffee bar, or even in your pantry, or when you're entering your kitchen if you like. I'm not much of a sign girl. I don't know how to really place signs. I did put a pantry plaque over my pantry door because it needed something. However, yeah, you can use these wherever you want to use them, or you can even gift them and, you know, give them away. So it's cute. It has like a wooden gray frame and then wooden lettering in it, white background. So I got coffee as well, and then I got for the guest bathroom flush, or the kids bathroom. Yes, sometimes I have to remind them, flush the toilet. So this is a perfect little reminder. It's cute, it's still chic, you know. Yeah, it's really good. So, and then it has floss, so it's either you're flossing your teeth, remember to do that of course, and then also you're flossing with your style. So these will be going in the guest bath or kids bath, we will see. Yeah, so those are those. And then I also got this. It says together is our favorite place to be, and this was $6. And a gray plaque, gray frame, I should say. And then it's just a white background. And it's really cute. It's really nice. It'll blend in with a lot of different types of aesthetics. Like if you have farmhouse, if you have country, even modern glam, if you just want to pop it in somewhere, you can do it. I'm thinking again, either in a bath or in the game room, you know, so yeah, it's cool. Then I got a couple of these things here. Excuse me. So this one says, another plaque that says, why hello, and together home, and then without the wrapping on, be bold. So I really like these. These were $8 a piece at Dollar General, and yeah, they have like a grayish tone. It's not really white, but it's like a grayish tone background, and it's like a chalkboard kind of lettering finishing here. It's really, really nice. So yeah, great, brown wood frame. So I'm going to put these in my laundry room. I may put just 2 so it won't be overwhelming, but yeah, you guys have to stay tuned to see how that looks, how that all plays out, and what I really end up putting in there. Yeah, so these are $8 and I got 3. And then let me see here. I got this. It says be beautiful. Be beautiful or be beautiful. And this is really cute for a little girl's room. I really like it. It's like a teal with 4 flowers going across. And I thought it was really cute. And I got this only for $4. Really nice. It's like a glass. And then the inside of the encasing, it's the 4 flowers, the daisies, and teal and cream. You can see it here. Yeah, it's really cute. And moving right along to these mirrors. What am I saying? To these lampshades and lamps. These little lamps are $12 a piece. They had a lot of lamps in there, like little short ones, nothing too tall. But yes, they were $12 a piece, and it has like this crackle design on it, gray crackle design. And I thought, you know what, maybe I can do these in my master bathroom. I know right now the theme, or the trend rather, not theme but trend, is to have those mirror lights in your master bath or your beauty studio. Well, I don't own a beauty studio. I don't own any special lighting for makeup in my bathroom, because I don't know how to do makeup. I know about a little bit of lipstick, some lash and mascara maybe. I know how to shape my eyebrows, and some very basic eyeshadow just on the lids. I don't know how to get all in there and color coordinate and color code and all that other stuff. So if anybody wants to beat my face, please feel free to contact me and let me know, because I don't know how to do anything. And it's so ironic that I want to learn how to do makeup, or when it's a pandemic and you have to wear a mask outside. That's Elle for you. That's Leslie for you. But anyway, yeah, so there, these back to the lamps. I just, felt to throw that in there. Little fact about me. But yeah, these were $12 and I got 2. And what you can do with these shades, once you take the plastic off, you can redecorate them. You can design them, I should say. If you're an artiste, again, you can bling it out if that's your style, like the aesthetic, the glam look, or you want to put some glitter stuff on it, and or you could even draw a flower on it, because it's just plain white. And you could even change these shades out if you wanted to, if you didn't want to go through all the trouble of vamping it or whatever the case may be. You can definitely do something different than have just the plain white. So yeah, $12. And then what's exciting, these things out of the way. So I am making over my what is it, this office, right? And I needed a bookshelf, a display, because I went ham with I never think I would ever say ham, but I did. I went crazy cuckoo for vases and vases from Home Goods because they have adorable things. Yeah, and I needed a display case or a bookshelf or something to display some of the vases so they, they don't look like scattered and all over the place and I'm not tripping over them. So I wanted to go to IKEA or back to Home Goods or anywhere that I can find that can give me, proper shelving. However, when I was walking through the aisles, I realized that Dollar General had bookshelves. They're not the biggest and they're not small either, and they even have little end tables. So, and they're cheap, they're relatively cheap. And here goes one right here. This is called a ladder bookcase and it's by True Living Essentials. And this one was $22. Yes, $22. And I think it was a score. They had one more left in the store, so I may run back and go and get it just in case, but I didn't want to buy too much because I don't want inside of the office / studio to, become cluttered. So I just picked up one for now, and it says it's really easy to assemble, but we will see because some of us, we're not good at assembling things. But so I want to go see if they still have another one, and I may pick it up, and if I don't use it, I may take it back. But yeah, I have a couch in here, and I just don't want it to be too cluttered with things. So we'll see. I don't have a desk. I'm not sure if I'm putting in a desk. So this just might be a lounge or a prayer room or a quiet place, a meditation room, or just a place where to get away from everybody, close the door, kick up your feet and relax, Yeah, so that's that, $22, and it's a wood oak bookshelf. It's 3 tiers, 1, 2, 3, and it's all leveled, and it's really cute. I hope you can see the picture on camera. Yeah, this is it. So you can see by the width, what you're getting. So hopefully that works out. And then I got this little stool, this stepping stool, folding stepping stool. Now for some, this was $3 actually. And for some, you're like, oh, a stepping stool, plastic stepping stool. Yeah, I needed this. I think, everyone should have one of these in their house. Just, when you're trying to reach that high shelf in your pantry where you hide all the goodies. This is a great thing to just keep stored away in a corner, in the pantry, in the back, just so you just pop it closed, you pop it open, and yeah, voila, so you don't hurt yourself or pull a muscle or lose your balance. This is a great way to just grab what you need, fold it up, fold. What is wrong with you, girl? Fold it up. Yeah, it's just something to have that that's handy, and it's easier to fold. Don't me, I'm just off today. But yes, so I really like this, and it came in other colors for $3. You can't beat that. So yeah, they have a lot of living essentials, True Living Essentials. I guess that's a brand that they carry in Dollar General. So if you have a really big Dollar General, mine's is small, and for being such a small store, they carried a lot of things. So yeah, if you have a bigger Dollar General wherever you are, you may be able to find some really cool things. And I think they have stuff online as well. I don't know if they're delivering because of this whole thing that's going on right now. But you never know if you can order it online and have it delivered to your house and whatever. You may be able to find even more decor online. So, but this is what I found in the store. And so we're coming to the end of my haul. And last but not, actually I have three more things. I also found these little plaques that say love, stone plaques, and they're heart shaped, and it says love in 2 different ways. This is bold lettering and this is script, and this is like a light grayish, opaque-ish color, and of course gold and black. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this in the office when I do my gold back in in winter when I put back my gold theme in there. And yeah, and I'll just throw this one in here too. It's little filler pieces. I think, you know, spread the love, guys. Spread the love. It's important to send that message out. So yeah, and these were $1 a piece. So really cute. Love rocks. And then last but not least, I got this painting right here for $15, or I should say a canvas. Yeah, for $15. And it has pinks in it. And can you see? Hello. Yes, can you see? It has like flowers and pinks, and I'm trying to give my room, my kitchen, a pop of color, and the theme is going to be, or the aesthetic colors are going to be pink and grays, because I already have some grays in there. But yeah, and I thought this was a nice way to pop in some grays and stuff like that. So the colors are not too harsh, and it's mellow. I do look, you know, the kind of the design of it, or the print kind of looks like a it's made for a bathroom, really, maybe. But I'm gonna see how it goes, and if it doesn't work, I'll just re-gift it, or I'll gift it rather, or I will take it back. And it was $15. And here you go. Can you see it? Yeah. So really liking that. And yeah, guys. So that is it. It has been fun hanging with you guys as always. Please stay safe. You know, take care, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you like, please subscribe. There's more to come.